Hello, my people. It's my hope that you are well and the Lord have kept you safe. Now, this is the second video I'm talking about stories to do with life insurance products. So, in case you get interested, you can go back to the first episode and get to understand where we are coming from. And in this video, I intend to try ask ourselves. Why would you even have a thought of considering having a life insurance policy? Why would you consider that aspect whereas we have so many types of investments that are available in our financial markets, but there is an aspect that is catered for by insurance policies that is not catered for by other investment product. Yes, insurance policies, majority of them are investments, but there is an aspect that they cater for that you will not find catered in other investment products. And we know that insurance is all about uncertainty. When you talk about insurance, you just have to think of uncertainty direct. So if there would be more, if there would be no uncertainty in life, I think we would not have anything that exists like insurance. And there are three simple reasons why you can start considering of having a life insurance policy. And we said that misfortunes may come along our lives from time to time. Definitely, no one wishes themselves bad or anyone else bad, but we are not living in an ideal world. We live in a real world where we might face some situations that might not be good. So there are three things that there are three challenges that life insurance policies try to provide solution for. And one of the challenges is the challenge of untimely death. Yes, many people don't want talking about death, and no one wishes themselves death. But it is inevitable. It's just a matter of we don't know when it will get to hit us. But now, life insurance policies come to cater for the part of untimely deaths. That policy will not come with offers of bringing you back to life, but mainly focuses on whoever that you leave behind. You consider that you will find someone who is a breadwinner in a family. What happens if that person just dies? He leaves some dependents behind. What will happen to them? Couldn't couldn't it be a better option if they are compensated some, okay, not compensated because you cannot compensate for someone's life, if they are given some amount of money that maybe can help them establish themselves again. There's some amount of money that may assist them in the transition of figuring things out, how they can start life all over again. The other challenge that these policies come to cater for is challenges of becoming disabled or yes incapacitated, that you cannot be able to continue with your normal work. What happens in such a situation? Definitely it would be a not so good transition from what you have been used to getting into a completely new life. But it would be better if you have some amount of money to have during that transition. You can have some amount of money that will help you transit, will help you figure out what you can start. That amount can come in hand and form a capital for a new business that you can start. that will now cater for you in the period that you'll be disabled. So that's another challenge. The other one is the challenge of living beyond your retirement. I know it sounds funny that it is considered as a challenge living beyond your retirement, but that's it. At retirement, you cease being active in your duties. That is meaning that you cease having the stream of income that you are used to, but your expenses continue to run. So you might need to have some streams of income. So there are these policies that come to cater for that specific challenge. So those are the challenges that we face in life that might make you consider having a life insurance policy. And to get this better is that if you check majority of such challenges in African traditional societies, we had an extended family setup where such challenges would be sorted easily. People had love. People had some boards, but nowadays you come to realize that in many situations it is everyone for himself, God for us all. So that is the society where we are living in. You might that you get that union that was within the family is no longer there. So in case anything happens, you are all alone. So it is good that you might not foresee whatever that will happen. You might not try to figure out how bad the situation will be, but you can just do whatever that is within your means. Nowadays, you cannot rely on somebody so much, even your closest family members, even your friends. Once they are given the right opportunity, they will betray you. So it's everyone for himself. Okay, not everywhere, but in majority of the communities where we are living nowadays, it's everyone for himself and God for us all. So kitambo by the way, maybe ndo maana ungesikia vitu kama hizi za insurance policies na nini, everything was catered for within the society, but nowadays things have changed, and that's why such innovations has come up because there are challenges that need to be catered for. So those are some of the situations that might make you consider having a life insurance policies. As long as you have other investment, it is an investment that you can also consider. So we'll continue with the journey, and I'm sure we'll get to learn more on this piece of life insurance policies. Thank you.